was driving today, and some lady was nice to me. She said, "Hey, your taillight's out." So I changed the 2 light bulbs, and it still doesn't work. I had problems like that for the last 3 years. 3 different mechanics, and they say they fix it. It'll work for a little bit, but then they don't work anymore.
Okay, so let me get the vehicle information. This is a 2004?
2007? 2007.
There we go. All right. Is it a 3.7 liter engine or a 4 liter engine?
I think it's a 3.7.
Okay. And
Yes.
all right, let me take a look here real quick. And so you replaced the tail lamp assembly, or you replaced the bulbs?
I had another mechanic replace the assembly, and I changed the bulb at least 3 or 4 times. It'll work, and then it'll stop working.
Have you checked for power to the rear?
And that's power. Mechanic, but did the last time. So there's power coming.
Has power?
It was red. It was red, white, and blue, something like that.
Passenger side. Take a look at the diagram here, right? Parking lamp. It's a white wire with a violet stripe.
I just put it back together again just now, so.
Yeah, you're going to have to check for power there, my friend. So it comes directly from that circuit board inside the totally integrated power distribution module. So if there's no power going there, either you got a wiring issue between the TIPM and the tail lamp assembly on the right, or a bad TIPM. That circuit board in that integrated power module could be bad, or even the power module itself. I think you can replace those separately.
It was working yesterday, but it was flashing real fast.
Okay. Yeah, you're still going to need to check it though, my friend. But if you got power there, then the problem is going to be in the tail lamp assembly itself. And you're going to say, well, I've already replaced it several times. And if that is the case and it does have power, you need to replace it again under warranty. So the only way to know for sure is to go back there and check for power on that white wire with a violet stripe.
Been 2 or 3 years since I went and got it fixed. I don't think the warranty's any good anymore.
It's been 2 or 3 years since what?
I had it fixed last.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
Sometimes when I used to use it, it started flashing real fast.
It flashes fast?
Yeah, it was flashing real fast.
Okay.
Right before this happened.
Yeah, you're going to have to check it regardless, because if there's no power going to it, then the problems are going to be further upstream. It's not the tail lamp assembly or the ball, but if there is power going there, the circuit's working just fine.
It was working yesterday when they told me today, but now it's not working.
I gotcha.
I don't know who to take it to.
Take it to a good quality shop that's going to give you a warranty. So in case it happens again down the road, I'm sure you got to have a decent shop in your area. If you want, I can send you some information that'll recommend a repair shop in your area that's RepairPal certified. You want me to send that over?
Yes.
All right. Give me a few minutes. I'll go ahead and send it over for you. Any other questions while we're on the phone, my friend?
No, you answered all of them.
All right. Sounds good. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.